まだ映ってないよね。
映ってるよ。
嘘! Hi everyone! It's Risa! Welcome to Kanji time! Today, let's review N4 Kanji. 参りましょう! Oh, if you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. Then, this kanji means ground, earth, position, base. The on reading is chi, ji, like in 地面 meaning ground. 地面を踏む and 土地 land, plot. Then, this kanji means public, chamber, hall, shrine, temple. The on reading is 道 like in お堂 meaning shrine or temple. And 食堂 restaurant or cafeteria. Then, this kanji means location, place. The on reading for this kanji is 場 as in 運動場 meaning gymnasium. And the kun reading for this kanji is 場 as in 場所 meaning place. 場所お気に入りの場所 my favorite place. Then, this kanji means voice. The on reading for this kanji is 声 as in 声優 meaning voice actor. みんな元気?みんな元気か?みんな元気かしら? And kun reading is 声 koa like in 声 meaning voice. Then, this kanji means sell. The on reading is buy like in bye-bye meaning selling and buying. Kun reading is う as in 売る meaning to sell. いらっしゃいませ。あ、どうぞ。どうぞ。ありがとうございます。あ、いかがですか？お弁当です。ありがとうございます。100円です。Quiz time! Say the reading of the following kanji. 声地面食堂運動場バイバイ Now say the meaning of the following words. 土地 land, plot 声優 voice actor 売る to sell 場所 place お堂 temple, shrine. Okay, that was N4 kanjis. I hope you learned new kanji. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye! Hi, I'm Risa. Today I'm going to talk about the potato crisps.
Okay.